Hey you guys, welcome back to Tried, Tested, and True Instant Pot Cooking, where I share with you Instant Pot inspirations and ways to feel confident using your Instant Pot. I'm your host, Lisa Childs, and today I'm teaching you how to make perfect long grain brown rice in your Instant Pot. First, I just have to say thank you so much to everyone who has emailed me, messaged me, making sure that I'm okay. I know I haven't seen you in a hot minute for anyone who subscribes. I usually do weekly uploads, but I've had to take a little bit of a break for an exciting project that I just wrapped up on, and so I can't wait to tell you about it soon. So anyway, let's jump right into how to make long grain brown rice in your Instant Pot. The first thing that we're going to do is to make sure that your brown rice is in fact long grain. If you have medium or short grain brown rice, that takes way longer, but today we are focusing on long grain brown rice. This is usually found in your local grocery store. It looks like long grain white rice, it's just brown. So it's kind of long and narrow, very easy to find and to cook. So next we are going to add 1 cup of long grain brown rice to your Instant Pot. And then you can rinse it if you want to, but on the package this says to retain nutrients, to not rinse, so I just do whatever's on the package. To this, we are going to add 1.5 cups of water to the Instant Pot. You can also add some salt for flavor if you like. I prefer not to add oil to my rice when I cook it because it prevents the grains of rice from absorbing the water, so it will have just a little bit of a bite to it. Next, we're going to lock that lid on, turn the knob from venting to sealing. If you don't seal it, it will never come to pressure and it won't cook, it will burn, and you'll be very sad. And then we are going to cook this for 15 minutes on high pressure with a 10-minute natural pressure release. To do that, you're going to press the manual button and adjust the time using the plus button to 15. And then after it has counted down from 15, the screen will say L for lapse time, and then wait until it says L10. That means that it's depressurizing on its own for 10 minutes. This time is actually really important for the rice because it's that time that it steams, it absorbs all the water, and so really make sure that you do that 10-minute natural pressure release. After the time is up, just open up that lid, fluff your rice, and you're ready to eat. This is a perfect recipe for the new year, as I know many of you, like me, are having resolutions to eat healthier, to eat quick, fast, healthy meals. So this is the perfect way to use your Instant Pot to make long grain brown rice. If you want to know how to make long grain white rice, just check out this video next. We'll see you next time. Bye.